Hi, my dear students. Hope all of you are fine. Welcome to our maths class. We have already come across the set squares in our geometry box. It has three corners. These are the square corners. We have drawn the rectangle and square using this corner. It is used to draw a straight line or upright line. Together with this, it has two more corners. These corners are slanting. These are used to draw tilting rectangles. Now, we are going to draw a tilting rectangle. Activity number 1. Draw a tilting rectangle. For this, take a ruler and draw a line 5 cm long. Mark the endpoints. Then draw a dotted line. Then hold the set square on the line. Mark a point on the left side, placing the set square touching the left endpoint. Then move the set square towards the right side, placing it over the dotted line such that the right endpoint meets the corner of the set square. Then mark a point on the right side. Then draw lines joining these points. Now, measure the sides using a ruler 4 cm and mark a point 4 cm apart from the left endpoint and mark a point 4 cm apart from the right endpoint. Join these points using the ruler. Erase the extra lines we have drawn earlier. Now we got a figure. This figure is called tilting rectangle. Here the bottom length is 5 cm, top length is 5 cm and the left side length is 4 cm. Also, the right side length is 4 cm. This figure is called parallelogram. You will study more about parallelogram in your higher classes. Next, activity number 2. These are some upright and slanted figures. These are drawn using different corners of set square. Measure the sides of each and write the length near them. Note anything about the length of opposite sides. We shall measure the first figure. Place the ruler above the figure. Then measure the top length from 0 to 4 cm and one more small point is there. What is that? It is millimeter. We can write it as 4.1 centimeter. 1 centimeter consists of 10 millimeters. Then we can write it as 4.1 centimeter. The bottom length is also 4.1 centimeter. Then measure the left side length from 0 to 2.1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2.6 centimeters. Then measure the right side length. It is 2.6 centimeters. Next, we shall measure the next figure from 0 to 2. Not up to 3 centimeter. 2.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 2.9 centimeter. Then Find the bottom length. It is also 2.9 centimeter. Then find the left side length. It is 2 and 2.1 to 3. Then 2.3 centimeter. Next, here also 2.3 centimeter. Next figure, it is 3.3 centimeter top length. It is also 3.3 centimeter. Then right side length 2.4 centimeter. Then left side is also 2.4 centimeter. The next figure, it is 2.9 centimeter top length. It is also 2.9 centimeter. Then left side, it is 2.4 centimeter. Right side, it is also 2.4 centimeter. Here in all these figures, opposite sides are equal. Then here 3.4 centimeter. Here also 3.4 centimeter. From next left side, from 0, it is 2.4 centimeter. Towards the right, and the measure, it is 2.4 centimeter. After measuring the length of each sides, what do you note about the length of opposite sides? Yes, the length of the opposite sides are equal. Have you all understood this? Today we have discussed about drawing tilting rectangles, measuring the sides of rectangle and tilting rectangles. We will continue this chapter in the next class. Okay? Thank you.